Yo, so what is going on, guys? It's your boy, that sneaker guy, Mike, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the black Yeezy Calabasas. Is right here on Wednesday again. You know, it looks like when you order things on Adidas on Saturday, you get it on Wednesday for some apparent reason. Like, I got the 700s for retail. I got on Wednesday, I got these for retail, which I think anybody that wanted this shoe did get it for retail. Wednesday also. So yeah, let's unbox it right now. Alright guys, here we are about to unbox the shoe. I did get my gray pair just, for comparison reasons, maybe the leather's different, whatever. So here it is, guys, the gray pair, my gray pair, the one my boy Fernando gave me. Shout out to you. I've been wearing these a ton. I just keep them really, really fresh. Guys, this shoe, you can't really go wrong with this shoe. It's a Yeezy. It's affordable, stylish, it's comfortable, good materials, good quality. You really can't go wrong with this shoe. Alright guys, but here's the packaging, same packaging as always, from Adidas. Here you go, you got my knife. Someone told me to get a new knife. Okay, like, why do you pay attention to my knife? Just kidding, I know you are, I knew it was Joseph. So yeah, let's open it right now. And as you guys could see, you got the regular Adidas box that it comes in. Again, still no receipt, man. Alright guys, box seems to be in pretty good condition. Regular box, just like all of your Yeezy Powerphases. 8, my size. Size 8. See if that focus, my size. So yeah guys, let's open it for the first time together. Yes. Here it is, guys. Let me pick it up for you guys. Yes, yes, yes. Definitely has a different smell. Hold on, let's get the other pair. Definitely has a different smell than the gray pair. I still need the cream pair. I might go to a sneaker event this Sunday, so I might record that. So hopefully I could pick up the cream pair there, which is the OG colorway. Bam, here you guys have it. The black Powerphase Calabasas. Leather seems to be the same on these pairs. These come with the stuffing factory lace. That is the factory lace. Let's take off this paper insert. Yeah, leather seems to be the same. Into some B-roll shots, but here it is. It's not really, it's black, but this back here on the tongue is like a lightish grayish. Here it is in comparison to the gray one. If you guys have the gray one, you guys know what that would look like. Adidas in green, Trefoil logo in red, gold Calabasas. But yeah, there's not that much to talk about. Insole black, your tag that it comes with, Yeezy Powerphase size 9. Yeah guys, quick leather. Right shoe is definitely more buttery, if you want to say that.
Where you was at when I was trying to get it? Where you was at when I was in the trenches? Where you was at when I was down bad? Where you was at when I needed a bag? Where you was at when I needed a hand? Where you was at when I was making plans? Where you was at, had to turn man? Where you was at? Where you was at? Where you was at when I was trying to get it? Where you was at when I was in the trenches? Where you was at when I was down bad? Where you was at when I needed a bag? Where you was at?
I know it's been short, guys, but it's a Yeezy Calabasas. There's not that much to talk about other than the different colorway. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Like this video for more content. That's Sneaker Guy Mike signing out.
Where you was at when I was trying to get it? Where you was at when I was in the trenches?